I think it's important to have a LinkedIn page because it's just an extra way to let people know about you. It's more than an online CV. It's a way that you can ask questions, that you can learn, that you can raise your own profile. So it's an easy way to make connections. I would say it's really important to have a good photograph. So profiles with photographs are about 10 times more likely to get clicked on. The other really important things are a summary. So that's like that little profile at the top of the CV, but you can have 200 or 300 words and you can really showcase yourself and give some information about what you would like to be aiming for. The last thing that I would say that's important to have on there is a detailed description of what you have been up to at your work rather than just a summary heading of what it is. I would say connect with any employers that you have worked for, even people that you've volunteered for. Connect with people that you've met at employer presentations. If they give you their name, that's like an invitation to connect, and the same goes if you've met them at the careers fair. Connect with alumni, connect with final year students if you're a second year student, because LinkedIn allows you to see more from people you're up to 3 connections away from. Connect to us because then you can see our connections, your placement officers, your academics.